Hey everyone, and welcome to another Alive Friday where we get to answer all of your questions. So this week we've actually had 3 questions come through on our Ask Me posts. So Sam, what's our first question for today?
Okay, our first question is from Marion, and Marion has said, "Hi, I'm just starting out on my VA journey. I'm specializing in process improvements and streamlining processes. I'm not sure where I could find out or how I could find out who the businesses are that need my services. Do you have any ideas or pointers?"
Cool. So I think the first thing is really great niche. It's not really a niche, but it's a specialty type service, and that's the best first step is to choose that specialty. For you, I feel like I wouldn't worry about who your niche target market is going to be right now. That will come later on down the track when you get a few clients under your belt. You might really enjoy and like working for a certain type of client. It might be that you really like doing the processes for manufacturing companies, or you might like doing the processes for business coach clients or online digital product selling businesses. So you'll figure that out as you go along. You could start to think about what sort of industries you've already worked in, because then you have the most knowledge in terms of writing those processes. So that could be a starting point for you. The industries in the previous workplaces, those are the easiest clients to get. So it could be that you look to target those first. But for you, it's about building relationships, isn't it? Like Sam, we say this all the time. It's all about building relationships in terms of finding clients. And so finding those online networking meetings, in-person networking meetings, people in your local area who have businesses, go along and be guests to B&I networking meetings, anywhere that you can meet small to medium business owners, that should be your starting point to try and find that first client.
Yeah, 100%. I've really got not much more to add. I think Joe's, really summed it up well in a nutshell. Fantastic service to be offering, a really good specialty service. In terms of the businesses that need those services, I can't think of one business that wouldn't need that in some way, shape, or form.
Yeah.
So I agree with Joe. I wouldn't be worried too much right now about niching down the industries that you are working for, the types of businesses. Just go out there. As Joe said, a really good starting point for any virtual assistant, no matter what the services they offer. The easiest way to get those first clients is to, look back at your current existing network of managers, employers, ex-colleagues, because they're the ones that know you best.
Yeah, absolutely. So I hope that helps. And absolutely networking online, that could be in Facebook groups, in LinkedIn groups, on LinkedIn as well.
Yeah.